Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Easy here. Not gonna go into intro. I'm just gonna try to get this video out there really quick. I've been getting asked a lot of questions about how I do my recordings with my DJI Pocket 3, and I showed you an unboxing, well, not unboxing, a video showing you how to use your stuff wireless without using your AirPods and stuff like that. The reason why I don't use the AirPods because there's a delay towards the stuff, and normally I'm using a lavalier microphone, which is the DJI Mic 2 or the Mic Minis, which I do have that on my shirt half of the times. If I don't have it on my shirt, a lot of the times I have it connected towards like my microphone stand or a microphone. I actually got that sitting on the floor. But one thing y'all guys never really see is me like wearing a shirt like this and me really like this. Y'all normally see me with a hoodie basically all the time when I'm doing videos. The reason why I wear a hoodie when I'm doing my videos is because I'm literally hiding something. And what I'm hiding is these. So, what I was doing was I was using my Galaxy, what's the name of it? I forgot the name of the freaking headsets. I literally forgot the name of it. But what I would do is I would keep the earphones in my ear. Y'all notice I would never turn my head really this way a lot of the times, or when I did, my hoodie was covering my ears, so you couldn't see that I had earphones inside of my head. A lot of times on this side, I would keep the earphones tucked inside my shirt, or I would have it like sitting inside the collar of my shirt like that, while I had this one so I can monitor what I'm basically saying. So, if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I use something like this. Let me pull this out real quick. Which is routed to the back of my neck. As you can see right there. It goes down to the back. This is an IEM. As you can see right there, it's routed to the back of my neck. You can't see it until I literally push it in and out like that. I like the black ones because it goes inside my ears a bit more concealing. But because I have colored ones in here, which is like a bluish pinkish color, two tones, as you can see. You can see a little bit more, but when I'm saying like this, that's why I wear a lot of hats that matches this, so y'all guys can't really see it. But I do use this right here. What this is a wireless receiver, which connects to the microphone that I'm using, which I'm going to show you on screen. But yeah, I seen this video. I did an unboxing. Well, the unboxing y'all see is new, but I had this thing for some time. I had this for probably about 2 months now, and I just never came to the point of showing or doing a review for it because, like I said, I'm currently in the position of moving. As you can see, I got boxes all behind me. All my products that I got from companies is behind me. Lightsaber stuff, all that stuff is behind me. So I'm like literally in the process of moving. But this is a wireless receiver. As you can see right here, it says receiver. And I have the transmitter connected towards my microphone. So what I'm going to do is I am going to record some things real quick right now on my iPhone so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what you're seeing, as you can see right there, guys. So I use my iPad right here to basically record my screen. Here's my DJI Pocket 3. Here's the microphone right there that I'm using to actually talk to you guys with right now. Here's the other, which is the transmitter right here, which is connected to the back part right there, which connects in towards the transmitter, which is connected to that part. And the other part goes, the microphone part goes directly to the battery parts to my Pocket 3, which I'm using my cage that connects towards my microphone, which is on a magnet. So that's basically how I'm doing everything like that. Okay, so that's literally how I record everything. That's how I literally do everything when I'm doing this. Like I said, I literally hide everything. This is completely wireless. If I disconnect it, I won't be able to hear anything that's going on. So, like I said, I use my iPad as my viewfinder using a Mimo app so I can see what's going on with the Pocket 3. So, a lot of times you might see me look left and right like that. What I am going to do is I want to get over the head mount so I can put the iPad down or any tablet or any phone so I can actually control everything. That's how I basically do everything now when I'm doing my recordings. Like I literally have my iPhone. So when I'm doing over the top recordings, I normally have my iPad on the top rig, which I gotta show you the different part, but I have a top rig that I have sit up there, so I can just connect my iPad towards it, but it's stationary, so I can't move it up and down. I want to get one of those arms that I can move it up down. I might just use this. I got another mic arm like this, and I might just like something like this real quick. As you can see right here, this is another microphone I'll be using when I'm doing my over-the-top head my over-the-top view. Oh, sorry, I can't even talk. My over-the-top reviews. So when I'm doing my reviews over the top, this is the microphone that I'm actually using. I have this connected towards my DJI Go. I have other mixers and stuff over there that I do use for that. So let's get this out the way. So that's what I do use when I'm doing over-the-top recordings. If I'm not using my lavalier microphones, if it's something that I have to move around with, I do have the lav on my shirt. And I do have this microphone over the top, and I do have my iPad sitting there, sometimes my phone, depending on which one I need to do, if I need a big viewfinder of whatever I'm doing. So that's how I literally do my unboxings and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, that's how I do my unboxings. That's how I do my reviews. That's how I do everything. I use this right here to monitor what I'm having, so I can monitor my own audio. It does have a volume control on here, as you can see right there. And I can hear everything that goes on. So like I said, you wouldn't been able to see that I have IEMs in my ear if I didn't kept doing this and stuff like that. Y'all wouldn't never know, because the way how I got it tucked, I have it like literally strapped together. That's going down my back. I don't have to put it in my shirt because the way how I got it, and it's basically going down to the right side of my arm. So as you can see right there, there we go. So what I do is I just throw it over my back like this. And there we go. And normally I could just snap this to my shirt down like this, or I could leave it right there if I want to, or I'll just put it in my pocket, or snap it to the side of my pocket pants like that, and just go about it. I gotta put new ear tips and stuff in here, but yeah, that's how I do everything for this, guys. So that's literally how I do it. Like I said, the camera is on a gimbal. It's on a microphone gimbal. I can pop the camera off if I want to, so I can literally just take the camera off. Now I can move it any way I want. You just heard that thing click. Or I can move the camera up and down like that. It's on a gimbal, so it's on a mic arm. So because it's on a mic arm, if it shakes, and because this thing has a gimbal, which I'm actually shaking the camera right now, you see that I'm shaking, but you don't see really my background moving really. You might see a little bit of shakiness, but because I got it on a gimbal, it's not going to do much. So that's the one thing I like about this camera and how I got everything set up. All right, guys, it's your boy Easy here, and I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace. I'm out.